Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can add text effects to your text on CapCut PC. So go to text here and add in a text here. You can so I'm just going to change this first, sorry. You can change the font here. I'm just going to do that first, and I'm just going to type in hello just to show you guys. To add in effects, there's an effects tab here, so select it, and there are a lot of text effects you can choose from. For instance, this one, this one, and this one, it like adds in like a glowing text effect. There's just a lot to choose from here, as you can see. So just select the effect you want on your text. And that's basically it, really. I quite like this one. Oh, this one's really cute. It's like glittery. I just saw this, sorry. But that's it. I'm just going to add it about this cool looking background. And that is how you can add in text effects to your text on CapCut PC. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. You can also add in an animation if you want to, but that is totally up to you. Like for instance this one. But yeah, that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!